To be honest with you, the only reason I think you guys are doing anything now is because I got a camera here. Because I've been here 10 times trying to file a complaint.
Now, before I even begin this movie, I cannot stress enough that you should never retain or trust Rodney Moody with your case. I know a lot more than I'm letting on in this video. I just haven't been authorized to discuss it. He is a smarmy leech, a lawyer who pretends to work for his clients, whilst greasing the rails for the establishment to actually screw them. He's been suspended twice, admonished once, and he deserves more than that.
What?
Is there paperwork I have to have?
Complaints you're telling me you don't handle complaints against Skagit County Sheriff deputies?
You said the sheriff's office.
No, I said Skagit County Sheriff Officer. Not office, officer. Deputy, sorry.
You misunderstood them because
Yeah. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can call dispatch.
Well, can you call him and have him come right here, please?
You can call dispatch and request to have.
I've done that. Here's the card right here where I've called. I started this in January, where the chief ordered the undersheriff to file my complaint. I called his office. This is November. He hasn't called me back. Nobody showed up to field my complaint. September 17th, 2019, in relationship to this search warrant here, where they lied in the application and said that there was only one medical marijuana permit, and it was mine.
So what's on this?
Well, this states right here there's 5 medical marijuana permits. And then they did something here and they scribbled it out, the valid, and put invalid and said not for this address. Well, that's
Gobbledygook.
Well, no, it's a crime. This is evidence tampering. So because the judge sees this and goes, oh, they didn't have valid permits, they had invalid permits. So with a simple pen, they changed our constitutional rights, our citizenship rights, our medical treatments for cancer and open heart surgery. This jerks and jackasses took a pen because I was trying to file a complaint against them and took away Michelle Larson's, Jennifer Old's, Roxana Larson's licenses by saying they were invalid because they weren't addressed.
Good evening, folks. Now, pardon my cold, but to understand the gravity of this situation, you have to know that, in my opinion, that this man's dirtbag lawyer, Rodney Moody, ripped him off, took money for services he never rendered, and then appeared in a hearing to which Mr. Schermerhorn was not invited, at which point he sold him down the river by not adequately seeking discovery or arguing his case and never filing the appeal that he was paid for. He got a check for $5,000 and a check for $3,000, and he never performed the services for the $3,000, which was the appeal. And he's been getting away with it, but I understand that he's been sued again, and things are progressing on that. Anyway, meanwhile, the video of the hearing itself was actually in Prosecutor John T. Burke's desk, in his desk drawer, for some reason, during which period karma caught up with him in a most declarative manner out there on Route 20 one day. There's so much more to it, I can't go into it right now. Ironically, John Burke was not the first area drug task force prosecutor to die in a bad car wreck. Al Geary out of Snohomish was felled by similar fate in 2006. He was drinking. And just last year, Benton County prosecutor Brad Bartlett killed himself, his wife, and his eldest 2 children when he missed a stop sign while intoxicated and was broadsided by a truck. Listen, I'm a former assistant law enforcement attorney myself. And, we're held to a higher standard. At least I thought so.
Sir, as I understand it, you're attempting to do the impossible because you're asking the police to police themselves.
Yeah, it's been a hard journey here. I've been here at least 10 times trying to file a complaint against police officers who committed crimes against me. I've done it in Anacortes Police Station and in the mayor's office, where as I was leaving the mayor's office, they jumped me, broke my hip, foot, and shoulder. Then when I tried to file a complaint here about it, because they were conspiring against us in a commission of a crime, they wouldn't allow me to file a complaint, and even gave me a 1-by-1 post-it note to file a complaint as the complaint form. Let me see a post-it note, please. No, smaller. The little yellow 1-by-1s.
I don't have one. This is all I got.
The really small ones, like right under her, by her keypad, right there. This is why you don't have a complaint from me. No, give me that whole pad. Tobin Meyer did just that and said, here's your complaint form.
Hey, Mike, I'm Jeff Willard. I'm the administrative lieutenant here.
That person just interfered with the filing of a complaint. I would like their information number 1, please.
It's Chief Annette Lindquist.
Who?
Chief Annette Lindquist.
That's who I'm supposed to be filing the complaint with.
Okay.
Now, here's the crime. Do you see this Washington State Patrol report?
I can hear you. Let me go speaker.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I hear traffic.
You're upset.
I'm upset. Hey, guess what? You remember the FBI complaint? It's under investigation right now. The one you made fun of me about.
I didn't make fun of you, Shimon.
This is the evidence of the Skagit County Sheriff Officer, officer badge number 4402, who manufactured evidence to state that we didn't have medical marijuana permits. He went right here and took his pen and put invalid instead of valid. No, I was assaulted. Had my heart stopped because you guys didn't do your job. Get out of here. This is a crime committed right here by this officer. I need his name and number, and we want him removed from service. And we
already filed a complaint earlier. You talked with another chief or somebody, Baldwin, about the complaint earlier.
The undersheriff, he ordered the undersheriff to take my fucking complaint in January. The sheriff. That's why I'm sitting here livid fucking mad. I'm an innocent crime victim who the sheriff's office deputy took a pin and took away our constitutional rights.
Did anybody get back to you yet on that?
No.
Let me get your information, Mr. Shimon. I can help out with that.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry you're the brunt of this.
That's okay.
I want Tobin Meyer. This was John Hamlin. I want him taken out of service now. Under investigation. And Tobin Meyer.
Let me get your name. I don't think we've met before. Is it Michael? Your first name?
I'm not trying to, that's easier than any other way.
Hey, you're fine.
Yeah.
I call you, is it Mike?
Michael.
Or Michael? Okay, Michael.
And to be honest with you, the only reason I think you guys are doing anything now is because I got a camera here. Because I've been here 10 times trying to file a complaint.
What's a good number for you, Mike?
360-840-2758.
And so this is reference a complaint you filed in January of 25.
Yeah. But that is a reference to interference with the filing of complaint. This is another count. It's also obstruction of justice and interference with a criminal investigation. And when a conspiracy involves another police agency, we need to move this investigation to the FBI so that the criminal conductors of this fraud upon Skagit County innocent crime victims can be held accountable for their criminal action. When they lie to a judge, when they're given a badge, and told to report the evidence accurately. So let's take a look at that example. This is the document here that they said wasn't addressed accurately. Here's the second document. These documents were addressed by the Department of fucking Health. Patients don't fucking address them. They lied. And furthermore, there's the phone number right on the fucking document. Take this fucking copy. Take it, show the fucking chief. This is a crime committed right here by this officer. I need his name and number, and we want him removed from service. And will that say I'm a liar like that fucker right there? I want him arrested. I want him fucking arrested. We didn't commit a crime. We were burglarized 5 times for $250,000. We got it on camera, gave the videotape to the Skagit County Police Department, and they lost it in court and then said I was doing the burglaries. That caused the stoppage of my heart when I was fucking arrested by the Skagit County Sheriff's Office.
When did you make the original complaint? Not the one in January, but the original, further ahead.
Are you kidding me? They haven't allowed me. Let me see a Post-it note, please. No, smaller. The little yellow 1x1s.
I don't have one. This is all I got.
The really small ones, like right under her, by her keypad, right there. This is why you don't have a complaint from me. No, give me that whole pad. Tobin Meyer did just that and said, here's your complaint form. After the sheriff told him to take my complaint, said, here's your complaint form, right here in this office. Right here, passed it right through here. So I want that included as evidence. Nobody ever responded to me. You guys know where I live. You know my phone number. I had to get an implant in my chest because of it. I didn't commit a crime. I shouldn't have been there in the first place.
You're a liar.
You're a fucking liar. Get your ass back in here. I want an obstruction justice charge right here. Are you on dirty, sir? You just called me a liar. Are you on dirty, sir?
You understand what happened in that courthouse.
Yeah, you lied.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I called 911 for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
You did your job.
Yeah.
But why didn't that end up in the further courts? They covered it up. It's not even in the record. I tried to get the record. I can't even get the record of it. Sorry. I love that guy. He's a very good officer. But don't fucking lie to me. It caused the stoppage of my fucking heart. I'm a Department of Health licensed Washington State cannabis care provider. I don't do these things to hurt people. I get 1,000 to 2,000 hours a year volunteering to help people. I'm not here for myself. The crimes are committed against these girls and you guys keep lying about it.
I need to understand, what's the next step in the process?
Well, I'm gonna be the messenger here, so I'm gonna pass this to my undersheriff and just scan the documents.
Okay.
Give them an explanation on everything.
Okay, and the other sheriff is whom?
The undersheriff?
Yes.
Chad Clark.
Chad Clark? Okay, with an E on the end? No, straight E, okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
All right. And I'm Chris King, local citizen,
Okay.
Thank you.
and former law enforcement attorney.
Oh, okay.
So I keep an eye on these things, and I don't like what I'm seeing, I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay,
Thank you for your time,
Yeah.
sir.
okay.